Okay, so we're going to prove that if x and y are odd, then x times y is odd. So this is saying that if we have two odd numbers, then their product is always going to be odd. So proof. Okay, so x is odd implies that x is equal to 2k plus 1, where k is an integer. Y is odd implies that y is equal to 2q plus 1, where q is an integer. Okay, so now let's investigate what x times y will be. So xy will be equal to 2k plus 1 times 2q plus 1, which of course we distribute, right? 2k times 2q is 4kq. 2k times 1 is 2k. 1 times 2q is 2q. And then, of course, 1 times 1 is 1. Okay? So this means that xy is equal to, so we can factor out a 2 from the first three terms and then just leave that 1 over there. So we can do 2 times 2k q plus k plus q plus 1, right? I just factored out a 2 from the first three terms. So now I know that 2 times k times q is an integer because k and q are integers and 2 is an integer. That plus k is going to be an integer. And then that integer plus q will also be an integer. So basically, the thing inside of this parenthesis is an integer. Okay? So we have x times y is of the form 2 times an integer plus 1, and that is the definition of odd. xy is odd, right? And that's what we wanted. xy is odd. So Q, E,